Hey everyone, Kuya Weeds here. Today I have an unboxing for you guys, as usual. Um, this is just part 2 of my week 1 order, I guess. Yeah, let's see what I got. Another crown for my queen. Somehow we lost one, but it's alright. No problem. Look at this. But yeah, freaking got the backpack. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely better in person for sure. I don't even know where to start. Okay, we got one of these in here. Let's see how far my hand can go through, I guess. Like this much space. It's like some print in there too. Kind of cool. I don't know if I got that. Anyway, let me just close this. Go to the next pocket. Okay. So here, got a pocket. You got like some pockets for your pens or your doobies, whatever. More space, another pocket in there. And another mesh pocket here too. This is the inside, I guess. Anyway, this is really deep in here, pause. So yeah, you got another pocket here. I think that might be it for pockets. Well, I think. Nice little. Got these as a thing, you know. Got the side here too, nice and foilery. Your bottles of water in here. For two. Oh, there's even a handle here. Yep, just on one side and in the middle. This is new. I've never seen this, but yeah, cool. The Footwear tag here, the logo right here, and yeah. Let me just transfer the stuff from my old bag. Just need a new bag, guys, because yeah, my old one is kind of, yeah, old. So I'm gonna put my first thing in here, my kit. Put my Switch 2 in there. Oh yeah, I forgot to show these. You also got these clips here. Now they're unclipped. It's just what it looks like on the back. Okay, next item. One of these. Got these Air Force Ones in a size 9. The white pair. Ooh. Super clean. I mean, it's my second pair now, but yeah. Yeah, anywho. I'm not gonna try them on. Because, yeah. And the laces. Maybe I'll swap the laces this time. We'll see. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Got a bag and some shoes. I have another package coming in this week. It's another S logo. Spoiler alert. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good one.